In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Facebook on your laptop or your PC. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for even more simple tech tutorials just like this video. Now, this method is super convenient. It gives you fast, easy access to Facebook right from your desktop. To get started, go ahead and find the search bar just like so, and go ahead and type in Microsoft Store. Open this up, it should look something like this, and once you're in the Microsoft Store, click on the search bar all the way up at the top of it, and from here, search up, you guessed it, Facebook. Hit enter, it'll pop up with a few different options, but you're going to want to be looking for the Facebook app. Should be up at the top. Click on it, and then what you'll want to do is simply go ahead and hit get just like so. This is the same thing as installing it, so as soon as you click this button, it's going to begin that installation process. From here, you can now enter in your Facebook login details, and then you can sign in and start using it right away. But that's it, you've now got Facebook installed on your computer. If this video is helpful, please consider giving the video a thumbs up and subscribing for even more helpful tech tips just like this. Have a great rest of your day.